How to install NodeJS on Windows? First, go to the NodeJS official website. From the link nodejs.org, the link is on description. Here you will find the two versions of Node.js, 12.16.1 LTS and 13.11.0 current version. The current version is with the latest feature of Node.js, so download that one. But if your laptop is not compatible with that, so download 12.16.1 LTS, it will also work for you. After that, simply open the file and run it. Here you can check the box that will automatically install the necessary tool in your machine that will required for Node.js. Now click on install button that will install the Node.js in your machine. After copying all the file, click on finish button. That will prompt to your next screen. Now all the necessary packages are downloaded and installed in the machine, so you need to write the enter to exit. For confirmation, you can go to C drive and program file. There you can search for Node.js.